In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Adobe After Effects not responding or crashing on Windows 11. If you're a creative professional or a hobbyist who relies on After Effects for your projects, you know how frustrating it can be when the software doesn't cooperate. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you step by step through a few troubleshooting methods that can get you back to smooth sailing in no time. So let's dive right in. To start, let's open the Adobe Creative Cloud app. This is your central hub for managing all your Adobe applications, and it's crucial to ensure everything is up to date. If you're not sure how to find it, look for the colorful CC icon, usually located either on your desktop or in the Start menu. Once you have the Creative Cloud app open, you'll want to navigate to the Apps section. It's generally located in the top or side menu. In the Apps section, you'll see a tab for updates. Click on this tab and take a moment to check whether your After Effects is running the latest version. Adobe frequently releases updates that address bugs and improve stability. If you see an available update for After Effects, go ahead and click Update. This can often resolve many issues that cause the application to crash or freeze unexpectedly. Now, while the update is installing, let's ensure that your system meets the minimum requirements needed to run After Effects efficiently. Sometimes, performance issues are due to hardware limitations. Adobe provides detailed specifications on their website, and you should make sure your system aligns with these. Check that your CPU, RAM, and available disk space are sufficient and that your GPU drivers are up to date. Keeping your hardware and drivers current is crucial for optimal performance. Once After Effects is up to date and you've confirmed that your system is compatible, it's time to reset the preferences. This step can often solve problems related to odd or malfunctioning behavior in After Effects. To do this, hold down the Control key as you launch After Effects. When prompted, confirm that you'd like to delete preferences. Be aware that this step will revert After Effects back to its default settings, so you may need to reconfigure certain settings according to your preferences once the issue is resolved. By following these steps, you should see a significant improvement in how After Effects operates on your system. Updating the software, ensuring your hardware meets the required specs, and resetting preferences are three key strategies to troubleshoot and resolve these frustrating issues. I hope this guide has been helpful. Remember, keeping your software and system up to date is essential in preventing issues like these in the future. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.